So, the reason I'm actually doing this video is March 7th, and I've been lagging on my journaling, and well, I've been sort of sick, sleeping a lot, so I haven't really felt like doing this. So, here I am. So, this past week, I've been in the hospital, had a liver biopsy. It wasn't a cyst, so I wasn't going to die right then and there. But there is several masses in there. And by the measurements, most of it, my liver is at. What it exactly means to me, I have no idea. I wish I knew. I don't even know what to be scared of or what I need to do to make this hopefully go away. I'm sure it will with proper mental health. So, again, it's March 7th, 2020. So, I want to talk about a couple of things. First of all, I want to talk about togetherness. And can you be together with somebody if you have emotional baggage or walls, not letting others in? I'm sure we all do it in one form or another. So, I've been actually writing this thing down. I actually wrote something a year ago. It says, and it's a letter to God at that. Hi God, I would like to say I appreciate all the viciousness. I can't read that part. Of blessings, bountifulness, blessings. There are a few things I will have to where I have a problem with my goals. My goals are non-existent. So first of all, I feel strongly about quitting smoking cigarettes. Strongly. Drinking whiskey and reducing my alcohol to nothing. No, reducing my beer intake from a case of beer to 6 beers effortlessly and fine night. Give me the strength from self-doubt, self-harming emotionally, and thank you for your loving patience, making my purpose felt. Your spiritual student, Jesse. Well, since I found out about my liver, I had to give up drinking altogether. So I've been on it for about 3 weeks. I've slipped up 3 times, and each time I drank a whole bottle. Well, at least I'm acknowledging I'm not beating myself up. I know it's going to happen. I am taking medication to help me not. So, I'm doing everything I need to do to get through this in one way or another. So, let's get back to that emotional. So, this is going to be a series of talks. I'm actually asking directions on what a relationship or what it is to be in a relationship and standing by that person regardless if you understand the reasoning or not. Usually you'd be on the same page, but even if you're not, you still have to stand by your person. You can talk about it later, but you have to give each other permission to make mistakes. I've learned that the hard way. I never gave people room enough to make mistakes because I would always take over and or get pissed off about them not letting me take over. So, and that's just what I've been up to. So I saw my Cheryl today, and she says, I'm different. I'm like, yeah, I'm way different, I know. But it's okay. So, again, these are talks, emotional, heartfelt, in-depth conversations. And these are mainly for my family and stuff. And also I want to teach someday. If I'm not around, maybe these videos will teach somebody something. Thank you for your attention, and we'll move on to the first set. The topic of my talks are accepting emotional self-togetherness. What it is to be together with yourself and with God. That'd be topic number 1. Okay, we'll see you on the next one. God bless you.